Good morning. Finally took it off. I'm going to put that other one up later and stick some seeds in it. Hopefully it'll attract them. Get some good footage of some birds, little ones. Maybe coming up to winter when food's a bit scarce, they'll come here, hopefully. And the window will be closed, so it won't scare them off. Anyway, looks like a nice lovely day again. Broken clouds. Yeah. What day is it? Monday. I'll check my lottery in a bit. See if I've won. I've got Saturdays to check and Friday's Euro lottery as well. It's the fun of playing. That's why I have it. Still not going to stop me making videos. I'm just using high quality equipment. Well, even though this one is high quality. Probably heard that banging in there. But I'm not going to be getting anything else though. Any more stuff. I'll be just probably getting another one of these or another one of the Action 4 DJI Action 4, or just get some supplies of batteries for it. That's even cheaper. Right, I'm going to get in the shower and I'll see you all in a bit. Right, I'm going to put this on out now before I have my coffee. So the birds get used to it being there. Just hope it takes and doesn't fall off. Turn you towards it. I hope that holds. I'll put some seeds in it in a bit. Just make sure it don't fall off, and I'll be buggered if it does. Anyway, I'll make myself a coffee. Oh. Right, coffee time. Right, it's been on window for a couple of minutes. Hopefully it's going to stay. Oh. Can't be doing with that again. There was a tip I learnt about blue tack. If you put it in boiling hot water, blue tack, wait till it goes really mushy. That's what held it on for so long. And then you put it on and it holds on for longer. It's like super glue, but still removable eventually anyway. I just hope this works. I'll be able to put my camera to about here and then film it there, but I'll have to be further back, the camera. Usually get a lot of birds in that bush there, but I think the big seagulls that have been around have scared them off. So when the seagulls bugger off back to sea, back to the coast anyway, they'll hopefully start coming back. Right, I've got it set up there, got my camera set up here. It's recording at the moment, the camera, so I won't be getting any at the moment, but I will be going to get my winnings. I've won a £5 and a free lucky dip on lottery. So I'm going to collect that now, and when I get back I'm going to see that bit of footage, see if I've got anything there on it. In a bit. Earlier on when I was talking about cameras, I had a look at these 360 ones, and I think their image is not really that good. I don't like that fisheye look. It's quite nauseating. I'll definitely not be getting one of them Insta 360s or them Akaso 360, the new one. So that's not what I'm going to get anyway. There's a little bit of a breeze today, it's quite nice. At least I'm not getting wet. Putting it in a bin doesn't make it any better. Bin men won't take it, especially if it's like that. I think they've put a notice on it. I'll have a look when I get back. Other day when I was checking my step counter, I see an achievement I've done over 1 million steps. That's quite a lot actually. It's about, I'll have a look at it when I get home. It's about 455 mile I think. And I've only had this step counter for 6 months. That's quite a lot. Right, as I'm going past here, I'm going to have a little look on that notice that looks like it's on it, on the bin. I think it's fly tipping notice. It is a notice, and whoever owns that bin is going to get a fine. Might not even be the people that's dumping it, it's just they targeted the people who were on the bin. And they've painted the bloody number on the side of it as well, so it's a bit dumb. But all they have to do now is prove that it's not them, and it's fly tippers from anywhere else. Most of them people around there have got cars. And bloody Skips is just over here. That would be me if I did it. If I did it with that cardboard, I'd get a notice and a fine. Feel sorry for me if it's not them. You can see it Skips from my flat. You can even see bloody workers in it from here. And it's just over there. I mean, it costs about 30 quid for council to come out and take your rubbish away if you want them to do. £150 fine? No thanks, not for me. Right, I've got a Pepsi from my winnings today and some ham trimmings. They do them, that shop does them, and when they've got them in I always get quite a bit. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. If you like my videos, give us a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.